Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about Cloudworx for AutoCAD, the plugin. Just a little bit about myself. My name is Ben Rantala. I'm an employee of NSS Canada for 3 years now, coming up on July 17th, which is only a few days away. I'm the technical support specialist. I deal with all total stations, GNS systems, HDS systems for above and below ground, all surveying solutions. I take care of our rental pool. I do instrument calibrations, just your basic check and adjust. Pretty much the master of all here at NSS Canada. As you can see, I'm working away here, pretending to work. All right, so what are the LICO Geosystem products? So like I was saying before, we have total stations, we have GNS systems such as GPSs, we have our GS16s, our full tilt rover, which is the GS18T, we have the GNS reference networks, we got laser scanners, mobile sensor platforms, laser tracker systems, airborne systems, UAV systems, machine control systems, construction total stations and GNS, so there's the yellow products. GPR detection system, leveling lasers for all your grading and everything like that, optical levels, GIS collectors, 3D imaging systems, Disto and Lino products, and HDS software, which I'm going to be talking about today. So who trusts the Leica equipment? This is just a basic list of our main Leica users. We have your Newmont, City of Toronto, AECOM, McEwen Mining, Safe Site, Survey Solutions, Westhomes. As you can see, the list is quite extensive. There's a lot more names that we could have thrown on there, but it would have been so cluttered with names that you probably couldn't even read them.
Hey, Ben?
Yep.
Just keep an eye on the waiting room. Sometimes people are waiting there.
How do you let? I don't know. Where do you let them in?
Either I think it's through the chat or participants.
I'm in the participants. I don't see any.
Okay, you'd see a little icon saying someone's in the lobby.
No, I got nothing.
Okay, just wanted to make sure.
Yep. Okay. Yes, and amongst many more, as you can see. All right. So what is HDS? So HDS, also known as high definition scanning, is a method used by professionals to document and capture their environments in a 3D point cloud, improving efficiency and productivity in the field and office, through fast, simple to use and portable hardware and software. So point cloud, a set of points defined by an X and Y, Z coordinates that represent the external surfaces of an object. And a registration, a method to combine two or more point clouds captured by a scanner in order to create a mass or bundle. So in order for us to put our point cloud into our AutoCAD, we have to first do some registration in Cyclone. But before I talk about that, I just want to talk about what captures point cloud data that we offer. So we have the Leica BLK360, which is an indoor and outdoor capture, scope scanning areas of high danger. It is the mid, I'd say, mid average starting range around 35,000 roughly for the BLK 360. The accuracy on that is 6 millimeters at 10 meters. We also have our BLK to go, which is indoor capture, quick and easy building mapping, quick speeds and low accuracy. By low accuracy, I mean from 5 to 15 centimeter accuracy, depending on how much you're moving. If you're just walking steady straight, but if you're moving your arms all around, you're going to get less accurate. So then we have our scan stations, P30, 40, and 50. Those are 1 millimeter and below accuracy, and they are indoor and outdoor capture, very high-end accuracy, as I was just saying. Inaccessible places, most rugged scanner, so it's the IP54 rating. And then we have our RTC 360, which is an indoor and outdoor capture, mid-tiered accuracy with speed, HDR imagery, and Viz technology. Now this is the unit that I use to perform the scans that I'm going to be showing you today. So the typical workflow, I just wanted to talk about this before we get into the plugin Cloudworx for AutoCAD. So we have our HDS on the equipment on the side, which we did our scanning. So we're going to go from the scanners, or if you use an iPad with it, you could get the application Cyclone Field 360. So we import and register into Cyclone Registers 360 or register itself. from the registration there, we could then throw it into our plugin AutoCAD. And as you can see, there is a lot more softwares that we could throw it into. So if you're looking to model stuff, we have Cyclone Model, we have Cyclone Survey, Cyclone 3DR, Cyclone Model VR. We go into export to your favorite software, so such as AutoCAD, MicroStation, Revit, so on. We got our plugins for those, the Cloudworx plugins. And then we have our publish, which is our TrueView, Jetstream, and LGS files that we could work with. So let me get into our live demo. So before I actually go into the AutoCAD Cloudworx plugin, I'm just going to show you my where it came from. So this is Cyclone. As you can see, I have 24 setups. I registered them all together, threw them into a model space, and I'm just going to show you this really quickly here. And this is the scan that I
Ben,
use.
we can't see anything.
Oh, you can't see this?
I think you're sharing only the window for PowerPoint.
Oh, okay. Give me a second here.
Stop share and reshare.
Stop share, reshare, share screen. The whole screen. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Can you see that now?
Yep.
Awesome. All right. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. Yes. So this is the RTC3 scanner, the RTC 360 scanner I used for this. I used it on medium density with pictures. So scan time for that per scan, 1 minute and 51 seconds. So I just wanted to show you what the model space looks like in there. I'm going to close this down. You can still see everything all right, guys?
Yep.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. All right. So from there, I registered everything together, and you will see that I'm just going to throw it into, this is now our AutoCAD Cloudworx plugin. So as you can see up here, I'm going to just have to move this bar out of the way here. Sorry, guys. Bam. Okay. All right. So as you can see up here, it's your basic Civil 3D AutoCAD layout. You got your lines, polylines. As you can see up in the tabs here, we have our basic tabs, and then we have our Cloudworx tab. So this is the plugin for Civil 3D. So this is our main tabs that we could see right here. So we got Open MS View, which is Cyclone. We have our Open Jetstream, Open LGS files, wall floor, as you can see, orientation, clipping, rendering, filters, auto fit line tools, true space, the whole 9 yards. So what I'm going to do is open up my MS View. And as you can see, it's going to look similar to my Cyclone register area. Give it a second while it loads. All right, so where's the point source? As you can see, I'm pulling it from Cyclone. Here's everything that I have in there. I'm just going to bring it down here. As you can see, it is 24 scans. Model space, bam, and open. So here, if you want it to work in feet, we could change it to feet. If you want it to work in meters, which I like to work in, that's what I'm going to leave in it. And all we're going to do is hit OK. And I'm just going to move this back to the top there for a second. Perfect. All right. So zoom. Extents. And here is our point cloud. So just going to pan around, zoom in and out. So this is a scan of our office area. As you can see, this right here is our actual office right in here. Our parking's here, our office entrance is here, and as you can see, I actually scanned all the way around the building. Went through here, came up through here, went all the way around, and I even went through the office just to show you what power Cyclone and Civil 3D has. So here we are in front of my office. I'm just going to orbit down for you guys. And anytime you see that, we're just going to render our point cloud back just to make sure. All right, so here's the front of the office. As you can see, we could zoom in and out. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to turn off regenerate point clouds, color mapping, and I'm just going to go use true color. And that's with pictures intensity. Here we go. So intensity map. There we are. So now you could use any of your normal AutoCAD tools, and we could start creating lines. We could do our surface elevations. We could start doing our CAD work. I'm just going to go back to our Cloudworx tab. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you a quick wall slice. What I'm going to do is just click right here. It's going to adjust. It's going to create this. And now, as you can see, I'm going to go to top view, and we could move in and out. Where's that? Regenerate points. Let's see here. Sorry, guys. And we're looking at top view. Let me see here. Just going to go into top view. Okay. And quick slice. Wall. There we are. Okay. So now here I've got my wall of the building that I just selected, and now what I could do is I could actually create lines now over that. So go here, and as you can see, I can just go bam, bam, create my line work. Obviously, I don't have my snaps on. I'm not the greatest in CAD. Bam, so on and so forth. Just do our main designs, and then if you wanted to, go back to the Cloudworx tab, and we can move back and forth. And as you can see, all our lines are going to change. All our elevations are changing. There's a lot more we could do with this. As you can see, x-axis, I could change it to our y-axis, so on and so forth. And this is Cloudworx for AutoCAD. And I'm just going to go reset clip, generate points, and go back to True Color. So who would benefit from Cloudworx for AutoCAD? Engineering, surveying, mining, and construction. Quick, accurate, and reliable digital copy of projects. Reduce turnaround time for weeks to hours. Work and capture from a safe distance, not disturbing workers or traffic. And that is it. But before I am done, I just wanted to let you know, like I said, I use the Leica RTC scanner. I use medium density scan for this. Took me 24 scans with pictures. Time per scan was 1 minute and 51 seconds. My total scan time was 36 minutes and 24 minutes. With moving the RTC around, making sure it's level, it took me about 51 minutes total scan time. Upload time into Cyclone took me about 2 hours and 38 minutes. That's importing the 24 scans, including pictures. Register time, manually registering each scan together, took me about 1 hour and 30 minutes. So our total scan time, upload time, register time, thrown into AutoCAD Cloudworx, 5 hours and 44 minutes. And that is it. Anybody have any questions?
Hey, is Cloudworx only for AutoCAD, or can I use it for other softwares?
No, like I said in my last slides there, I'm just going to go back right there. So we could use it in AutoCAD, MicroStation, Revit, Navisworks, PDMS, BricsCAD, SolidWorks. And then as you can see, here's all our plugins. So Cloudworx for AutoCAD, Cloudworx for
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah, yep. So yeah, it's user friendly for multiple platforms. It is license-based issues, so if you already have AutoCAD, you just contact us for your licensing. We'll set you up for some licensing, give you some training, and yeah,
Perfect. Thanks a lot.
no problem.
Yeah, I guess that's it. Well, thanks a lot, Ben.
Hey, no problem.
Ben, Stellan, Franz, nice to see you guys.
All right, thank you. All right, thanks for the presentation, Ben. It was great.
No problem.